This is Grandma Rose. She lives in a small, quiet village with her grandson, Leo. Leo is 7 years old and he has bright, curious eyes. They live together in a little house at the end of the village. The house has a red door and a small garden with flowers. Grandma Rose and Leo are very close. They do everything together. Every morning, Grandma Rose wakes up early and makes breakfast for Leo. She makes fresh bread and sweet jam in the kitchen. The smell of warm bread fills the whole house. Leo loves Grandma's bread more than anything. It is always warm and soft and delicious. After they finish eating breakfast together, Leo helps Grandma wash the dishes at the sink. He is a good helper. In the afternoon, when the sun is high in the sky, Grandma and Leo walk together to the small shop in the village. They walk slowly down the path, holding hands. At the shop, they buy milk, fresh eggs, and vegetables for their meals. The shop owner is a friendly man who always smiles at them and asks how they are doing. Everyone in the village knows Grandma Rose and Leo. They are kind and friendly to everyone they meet. Sometimes, on quiet evenings, Grandma tells Leo wonderful stories about when she was young, many years ago. She tells him about the tall trees she climbed when she was a little girl. She tells him about the cool rivers she swam in during hot summer days. She remembers playing with her friends and running through fields. Leo listens very carefully to every word. He never gets tired of listening. He loves Grandma's stories very much, and he asks her to tell more. One morning, something is different. Grandma Rose feels very tired and weak. She does not get out of bed like she usually does. Leo wakes up and goes to her room. He is worried when he sees her still in bed. He asks with concern, "Grandma, are you okay? Why aren't you getting up?" Grandma speaks softly and says, "I am just a little sick today, Leo. Don't worry about me. I will be fine soon." Leo does not know what to do. He has never seen Grandma sick before. He feels scared and alone. His heart beats fast with worry. But then he stops and remembers something important. Grandma always takes care of him when he is sick. She brings him soup and medicine. She sits by his bed. Now he must take care of Grandma the same way. Leo takes a deep breath. He feels brave and determined. He knows what he must do. Leo walks quietly to the kitchen. He decides to try to make breakfast for Grandma. He has watched her make tea many times before. He fills the kettle with water and puts it on the stove. He finds a cup and a tea bag. The tea is not perfect like Grandma makes it, but he tries his very best. He puts the cup on a small tray. Then he brings the tea to Grandma's room very carefully, walking slowly. He does not spill even one drop. Grandma takes the cup with her gentle hands. She drinks the warm tea slowly. Then she looks at Leo with loving eyes and smiles at him. "Thank you, my dear boy," she says in a soft voice. "You are so kind and thoughtful. I am very proud of you." Leo feels happy inside. His heart feels warm. He sits down next to Grandma on the bed and holds her hand gently. He stays with her all day long, keeping her company. Then Leo remembers the village doctor. The doctor lives in a house near the center of the village. Leo knows Grandma needs help. He runs as fast as he can to the doctor's house. His feet pound on the path. He knocks loudly on the doctor's door. "Please come quickly," Leo says, breathing hard. "My grandma is sick. She needs you." The doctor is a kind man with gray hair. He says calmly, "Don't worry, Leo. I will come right now. Let me get my bag." The doctor walks back with Leo to their little house. He goes into Grandma's room and checks Grandma Rose carefully. He listens to her heart. He looks at her eyes. He asks her questions. Then he gives her medicine from his black bag. "She needs rest and sleep," the doctor says to Leo. "And she needs someone to take care of her and help her." Leo stands up straight and says with confidence, "I will take care of her. I promise I will do my best." For 3 whole days, Leo takes care of Grandma with love and patience. He makes tea for her every morning and afternoon. He brings her fresh water whenever she is thirsty. He reads her favorite book to her in a clear voice, even the long words. He does not go outside to play with his friends. He does not run around the garden. He stays with Grandma in the house. Every day, Grandma feels a little bit better and stronger than the day before. On the 4th day, something wonderful happens. Grandma Rose gets out of bed by herself. She is better, she is strong again. She walks over to Leo and hugs him tightly. "You are my wonderful, amazing grandson," she says with tears of joy in her eyes. "You took such good care of me. I am so grateful." Leo smiles the biggest smile. He is so happy that Grandma is well again. They walk to the kitchen together and make breakfast just like before. Their little house is full of love and happiness once more.